Hi everyone, I am Dr. T. Srinivasulu, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we will learn about equations solvable for P. Let f of x comma y comma p equal 0 be nth degree polynomial equation in P. That is equation number 1. We know that every nth degree polynomial equation has n roots. So the equation 1 has also n roots. That say that roots are f1 of xy, f2 of xy, f3 of xy, dash fn of xy. The equation 1 can be written as p minus f1 of xy into p minus f2 of xy into dash p minus fn of xy equal 0. Implies p minus f1 of xy equals 0, that is p equal f1 of xy. Second one, p equal f2 of xy dash p equal fn of xy. This is equation number 2. We know that what is the p value? Dy by dx. Dy by dx. We know that dy by dx equal to how much? P. Let the solution of second is p equal dy by dx equal to f1 of xy. Integrate, we get the solution. That say solution pi 1 of x comma y comma c1 equals 0, and the pi 2 of x comma y comma c2 is the solution of p equal f2 of xy dash pi n of x comma y comma cn equal 0 is the solution of p equal fn of xy. Without loss of generality, c1 equal to c, c2 equal to c, cn equal to also c. Therefore, the solution of the equation 1 can be put in the form pi 1 of x comma y comma c into pi 2 of x comma y comma c into dash pi n of x comma y comma c equal 0. So, this is the required solution. Solve p square minus 7p plus 12 equal 0. So, given equation can be written as, given equation is p square minus 7p plus 12 equal to 0. Now factors: p square minus 4p minus 3p plus 12 equal to 0. P outside, p minus 4 minus 3 is common, so p minus 4 equal to 0. Now p minus 4 is outside, remaining p minus 3 equal to 0. So implies p minus 4 equal 0, p equal 4 comma p equal to 3. Therefore p equal to 3 and then p equal, second one p equal 4. But we know that what is the p value? Dy by dx. Now so dy by dx equal to 3 and second one dy by dx equal 4. Now dy equal 3 into dx, 3 into dx. So integrate both sides. Integral of dy equal 3 into integral of dx plus c1, arbitrary constant. So y equal 3x plus c1. Therefore 3x minus y plus c1 equal to 0. And the second one dy by dx equal 4, dy equal 4 into dx. Integrate both sides. Integral of dy equal 4 into integral of dx. Take arbitrary constant c2. So integration of dy equal y, 4 into integral of dx x plus c2. So therefore 4x minus y plus c2 equals 0 is the solution. Therefore the required solution is we know that c1 equal to c, c2 equal to also c. Required solution is 3x minus y plus c into 4x minus y plus c equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Now x square p square, solve x square p square plus xyp minus 6y square equal 0. So the given equation is, given differential equation is x square p square plus xyp minus 6y square equal to 0. This is equation number 1, which is a quadratic equation in P. So it has two roots. P equal, we know the formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here this is a, this is b, this is c. Minus xy plus or minus square root of b square x square y square minus 4a x square, what is the c, minus 6y square by 2a 2x square is equal minus xy plus or minus x square y square, here minus 6 into 4 plus 24 x square y square. This is the 24 x square y square, x square y square, 25 x square y square by 2x square minus xy plus or minus 25x square y square square root value 5xy by 2x square. So first take addition, minus xy plus 5xy minus plus 4xy, 4xy by 2x square. Second one take minus, minus 5xy minus xy minus 6xy by 2x square. So it is equal to y by x. The second one is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So x will be cancelled, minus 3y by x. Therefore p equal, first one 2y by x and the second one p equal minus 3y by x. P equal to 2y by x, but we know that p equal to how much, dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 2y by x. Cross multiplication, dy by y equal to 2 into dx by x. Now integrate both sides. Integral of dy by y equal 2 into integral of dx by x. Take arbitrary constant as log c1. So dy by y integration log y equal to 2 log x plus log c1. Log y equal to log of, this can be written as log of x square plus log c1. Log a plus log b, log of ab, we can write c1 x square. Therefore y equal to c1 x square. And the second one p equal to minus 3y by x. We know that p equal dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to minus 3y by x. Cross multiplication, dy by y equal to minus 3 dx by x. Now dy by y plus 3 dx by x equal to 0. Integrating both sides. Integrate. So integral of dy by y plus 3 into integral of dx by x equal, take arbitrary constant log c2. Log y integration y plus 3 dx by x integration log x log c2. So that is log of log a plus log b. 3 log x can be written as log of x cube. So here log a plus log b, log of ab, y into x cube equal to log C2. Therefore, yx cube equal to C2. Therefore, required solution is required solution is first one y minus cx square, and the second one yx cube minus c equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Now solve p cube plus 2x p square minus y square p square minus 2x y square p equal 0. So this is the given differential equation. P cube plus 2x p square minus y square p square minus 2x y square p equal to 0. This is equation number 1. First p outside, p square 2xp minus y square p minus 2x y square equal to 0. Now this can be written as p. Here 2x is common. 2x is common. Here p square, okay. P outside, p plus 2x, here minus y square is outside, p plus 2x equal to 0. P of p plus 2x outside, remaining terms can be written as p minus y square equal to 0. So that is p into p plus 2x into p minus y square equal to 0. So implies p equal to 0, p plus 2x equal to 0, p minus y square equal to 0. Therefore, p equal to 0. Second one, p equal to minus 2x. Third one, p equal to y square. P equal to 0. We know that p equal dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 0. That is dy equal to 0. Integrate both sides. Y equal to c1. Now second one. P equal to minus 2x. P equal to minus 2x. dy by dx equal to minus 2x. dy equal to, we know that dy equal to minus 2x dx. Integrating both sides, that is dy equal to minus 2 integral of x dx plus c2. Integral of dy y equal to 2 minus 2 x square by 2 plus c2. Implies y equal to minus x square plus c2. Therefore, y plus x square minus c2 equal to 0. And the third one, p equal to y square. P equal to y square. dy by dx equal to y square. 1 by y square into dy equal to dx. Integrating both sides, integral of 1 by y square dy equal to integral of dx plus c3. 1 by y square integration minus 1 by y equal to x plus c3. Cross multiplication. minus 1 equal to xy plus c3y. Therefore, xy plus c3y plus 1 equal to 0. Without loss of generality, we know that c1 equal to c, c2 equal to c, c3 equal to c. Therefore, the solution of the given differential equation is the solution of the given differential equation. One is y minus c, second one y plus x square minus c, and the third one xy plus cy plus 1 equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Thank you.